Hey guys, welcome back to my nail Pura. In today's video we're going to be writing a formula for a sugar scrub. This is a brand sugar scrub. It's a really simple one, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So I already have my screen recording, so let's just jump right into the video. It's a simple brand sugar body scrub. Okay, so we're going to start off with our phases. We have 3 phases. This is a really simple recipe. So phase A or phase 1, we have just 2 ingredients. So we have cetyl alcohol, and then we have our shea butter. You can use any butter of choice. Actually, cetyl alcohol, and we're going to use mango butter. So you can use any butter of choice, it's up to you. So that's phase A. So that's all the ingredient we need in phase A. Now let's move on to phase 2. I keep saying phase A. Phase 2 is grapeseed oil. You can use any oil of your choice. It doesn't have to be grapeseed. Any carrier oil will do for this particular recipe. So like I said, this is a really simple brand sugar scrub that we're going to be making. Go to phase 3. Phase 3, we have our fragrance oil. You can use any fragrance of choice. Okay, so we have a fragrance oil, we have a vitamin E, and we have our preservative, especially if it's going to come in contact with water. If it's not going to come in contact with water, then skip the preservative. And then we'll have our sugar. My OCD in me is going to make me move this. Doesn't really make that much of a difference, but I just prefer that. Okay, and I'm going to move sugar up here. I'm going to move sugar slightly up because it's high in percentage. Doesn't really matter, it's my OCD. So now let's write the percentage. So my vitamin E oil, we're going to be using it at 0.6%. Preservative, as always, my recommended usage range by the manufacturer is 1%. I don't go below this and I don't go above it. Our fragrance, we're going to be using it at 3%. So I want this to be really sweet. So we're probably going to use almost like a sugary kind of fragrance. I don't know what I'm going to be using yet. And then our sugar will be at 59.4%. So for our grapeseed oil, we're going to be using it at 18%. Our mango butter, we're using it at 8%. And our cetyl alcohol, we're using it at 11%. So I'm just going to try and total all of this up and see if it comes up to 100%. I don't actually think it comes up to 100%. So let's add that up and then we can adjust accordingly. So 0.6 plus 1 plus 3 plus 59.4 plus 18 plus 8 plus 11, and that's actually 101%. So we need to take 1% from one of these ingredients. So I'm going to take it from I want to say the shea butter. I want to take it from the mango butter. So I'll take it from the mango butter. So mango butter will come up to 7%. So that is our percentage. So now we're going to transfer this into grams. Let's make a 65 grams batch of this scrub. So what we need to do is I'm going to show you 2 different ways that I transfer this recipe using my calculator. I think the way I have been doing it this month, not everyone do their calculation that way. So I'm just going to use this video to calculate it slightly different. So before, I would usually do, so I'm going to try that with the first ingredient, the cetyl alcohol. 11%. So what I would do with my calculator, I would do 11%. So I click the percent, so I click the percent, and then I times it by 65, and that would give me the amount I need in grams to make this recipe. Okay, so we need 7.15 grams. But a different way that you can do this, if you do not have the percent showing on your calculator, you can do 7 divided by 100, and then you times that by 65, and that will give you the amount of grams that you need for this recipe. So in this case, it's 4.55 grams. So I'll do everything that way, just using that formula. So for our grapeseed oil, we need 18%. So I'm going to do 18 divided by 100. We're going to times that by 65, and that gives us 11.7 grams of our grapeseed oil. And then for sugar, 59.4 divided by 100 times 65, that is 38.61 grams of sugar. So 3 divided by 100 times 65, that will give you 1.95 grams of your fragrance oil. Preservative is 1%, so 1 divided by 100 times 65 gives you 0.65 grams of your preservative. And our last ingredient, vitamin E oil. So 0.6 divided by 100 times 65 equals 0.39 grams. So like I've said in my formulating videos, you need to make sure that your percentage column totals 100% first, and then now you need to make sure that your grams column totals up to 65 grams for your recipe to be safe and for your recipe to be professional, right? If these ingredients won't come in contact with water, then it wouldn't be that big of a deal. So when you're making anhydrous products that doesn't come in contact with water, you don't have to worry so much. But the rule is always work in this fashion. So now let's add our ingredients together to make sure it totals 65 grams. So 0.39 plus 0.65 plus 38.61. I've missed one, plus 1.95 grams plus 11.7 grams plus 4.55 grams plus 7.15 grams. Let's just hope it totals 65%, and it does. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with the percentage. I'm happy with the recipe. So this is how we write formula for a simple body scrub. And if you can start this simple and start this small, then writing formulas will become second nature to you guys. So I will be making this sugar scrub either in this video or in my next video. So if you are watching this before, then you've seen the recipe, you've seen me make this. If you're watching this after, then it's coming up later.